Hello everyone, I am Bhavesh and in this video we will learn how to use the sweep tool for the creation of 3D model. Okay, so for that we have to sketch something. Suppose we have our spline. Okay, and now we want to sweep one shape according to this spline which follow this spline. Okay, so click on sweep. There are two sweeps, sweep and helical sweep. In this video we are going with this sweep. So this is the direction in which direction you want to sweep your shape. We will flip on clicking on this arrow. By clicking on this arrow, okay, so say sketch and which shape you want to sweep. Let's suppose I want to sweep one circle, and this is how sweep tool is works. Okay, you can change shape also, like you want to draw a rectangle, you can change shape also, like you if you want to draw a rectangle. Let's suppose first of all you need to click delete this, and now draw a rectangle and say okay. Okay, you can make hollow it rather than solid. For that you have to click on thicken. Here is the option of thicken. Okay, and thickness you can decide like 2 mm, and you can see. So this is sweep command. Okay, we'll see another example. Let's suppose you have a rectangle. Okay, and you want to remove material as a spline from here. So we can use sweep command. For that we have to create one sweep first. Sorry, one spline first. Let's suppose I want to remove material which follows this line with a circular shape. For that I will click on sweep. Direction could be anything, in any direction we can draw, and this is my circle which I want to remove, and okay. So this is solid, that's why this is not going to remove. For that we have to click on remove material. Now you can see the material is removed, but the at this end and at this end also whole material is not removed. For that we have to click on options, and here you can see option merge end, and now you can see the material is wholly removed, right? Okay, now we will see one more another example. First of all I need to click delete all this. Okay, let's suppose we have one shape like a cup. We'll create it. and now we can use shell command. Okay, so this is our curve. We need to click it handle. We need to create a handle for it. Okay, so for that we will draw one path. Okay, so this could be our path. I'll draw a circle and this could be our handle. In next video we will see helical sweep tool. Thank you.